Bible. Bad Bitch Bible.
Hey girls, gays and days, welcome back to the Bad Bitch Bible, and I'm so excited about my guest today. Oh my gosh, I feel like we have a lot to talk about. I am here with Angelica Yap,
Hi!
Angelica Jane, Angelica
Angel.
Angel,
Ang daming pwede. Pastillas girl.
Mysterious girl. Okay, so what is your zodiac sign?
Aries ako.
Aries. Are you into like the big three? Like, do you know like your star, rising, moon, yung mga ganon?
Actually, hindi ko masyadong alam yung mga ganyan. Pero
Okay.
super naniniwala talaga ako sa mga
Sa mga ganon.
astrology,
Okay.
ganyan.
Do you check for what's that, like compatibility with you and Archie, your
Oo.
future kids? You ever check those things? Like,
Si Archie kasi Leo eh.
okay,
So,
I'm a Leo.
I know.
Yeah,
Kasi nung nag-meet tayo ng birthday ni Archie,
yeah. Parang pa-birthday ako noon. or-
pa-birthday ka. Kaya
Yes.
parang sabi ko, oh, okay, gets ko yung vibe.
Yeah.
Kasi iba talaga yung vibe ng Leo.
And iba din yung vibe ng Aries.
Parehas fire sign.
Okay, yeah. That's why, no? But it's like it can go both ways. It's either you're super match,
Yeah.
or it's like fire against fire. Like, you hate each other.
Totoo.
So would you say that, let's say, when you and Archie fight, is it like crazy, toxic?
Totoo.
Like, I can yell. Like, I will lose my shit kind of thing.
Totoo.
Yeah. I think that's normal with fire signs too.
Ano siya, parang nabasa ko siya eh, na kapag ka fire sign ka, it's either together,
Yeah.
makakapag-build kayo ng bigger fire.
Yes.
Or like talagang kayo, matuturn kayo parehas into ashes. Basta parang fair talaga siya na
Yeah.
kayo, matatalo kayo parehas
Yeah.
sa
It's
isa't
like you
isa.
really have to figure out like how to either manage it and bring it down,
Yeah.
or it really can explode, no? But I think over the years, a lot of the followers, they've noticed then how you have kind of tamed down, or your life has been so peaceful now, it's so quiet na as compared to before.
Totoo naman.
Siyempre nakikita din nila yon, diba? But I think a big part of it, I was saying, is because of your age now.
Totoo. 32 na kasi ako.
Wow.
I mean, 32 na kasi ako. So like, parang nasa point na rin ako ng life ko na,
Mature ka na.
sana.
Or feeling ko din kasi it's that you don't have the energy na for certain things. Napagod ka na.
Mhm. Totoo naman. Kasi, sa totoo lang, as an Aries, talagang go lang ako ng go
Yeah.
sa life. Kaya parang ang dami ko na ring experience. So, siguro naman, it's about time naman na ipahinga ko na to, di ba? Pero minsan
Yeah.
namimiss ko yung mga adventures.
There's a word you taught me kanina, pare. What's that?
Pariwara.
Pariwara. Yes. During her pariwara era.
Pariwara days,
Yes.
walwal days.
Yeah, but you changed so much. So, going back, like your personal life, what was your upbringing ba? Parang, were you, because a lot of people were talking about how parang now they see you're so yaman na, you're like alta na. That's what they say. So I was like, why? How was she ba before? How were you ba before?
Squatter? Charing.
No, were you ba?
Hindi, talagang, kumbaga, yung life ko naman talaga ngayon sa before, ibang-iba siya.
Okay, so those that followed you before, they can see the transition or the change ba?
Totoo naman. Pero kasi, iba talaga upbringing. Actually, halo.
Okay.
Para lang may idea ka.
Yeah.
Galing ako sa Catholic school.
Okay.
Nung elementary ako. Pero nakatira kami sa squatters area.
Okay.
Kasi
so,
yung mommy ko OFW. So, nagigets mo yung duality ng life na meron ako na dito sa school, social tayo, ganyan. Siyempre, mga mayayaman yung mga Catholic school ko na mga classmates. Tapos dito naman sa isang side ko, ay putang ina, ganyan. So, lito at first.
Yes.
Pero parang, nung natutunan ko siya, helpful talaga siya sa akin. In a way na kahit sinong iharap mo sa akin, kaya ko
Kaya mo.
makisama.
Yeah. In your Catholic school, were you like co-ed or all girls?
Go-ed.
Co-ed. Yeah, so it really gave you a lot of different experiences, no? How about your dad? Was he in Manila? Because your mom was an OFW, no? So how about your dad?
So, siya yung kasama namin sa bahay.
Okay.
So, may work din siya, pero kumbaga parang, and eventually, naghiwalay rin kasi sila. So,
Okay.
iba na talaga yung dynamic nung family namin. Parang, kaya nga parang pagka pinag-uusapan yung sa family, makikita mo na medyo pagdating ko ng high school talaga, na ako, parang naghahanap na ako ng attention and love sa labas.
Okay.
Kasi parang feeling ko iba-iba talaga yung dynamics ng
Yes.
family.
No, you can't compare din eh. You can't compare their upbringings or their parents because we all even take it differently. Diba? But that's what they say nga. Let's say you have the same parents, all your kids will still turn out different.
Totoo.
Even if, diba, like all of you will compare your moms differently or your dads differently. Kasi even you, your relationships with them are different.
Totoo naman.
Yeah.
Kaya parang iba-ibang level yung, kunyari ako, yung closeness ko with my dad, ganito. Yung closeness naman ng sister ko, ganito.
Iba din.
Oo, iba din.
Kasi the phases that your parents had you guys in their lives is different then. Like, you're pang ilan?
Panganay ako eh.
Yeah, okay. That's why you're like that. You give the eldest daughter energy.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Tapos parang yung brother ko din, parang iba rin yung niya, parang mga hugot niya rin. So, iba-iba talaga.
You're girl, boy? How are you guys? Your siblings?
Girl, boy.
Girl, boy. Okay. And now that you're 32, right? Are you thinking like, oh, I could have kids in the future?
Gusto ko.
Okay.
Actually, nung una, ayoko. Di ba parang yung mga nasa 20s ako. Siyempre yung parang, kaya ko ba to? Yung panganganak pa lang, parang ang sakit-sakit na.
Yes.
Pero parang ngayon kung tatanungin mo ko, netong mga nakaraan, ang amats ko, parang gusto ko lang 5 kids. Parang
5?
ganyan. Oo.
5 is crazy.
I know. Pero parang, ewan ko, baka amats lang to. Kasi syempre, kailangan ma-experience ko muna yung isang beses talaga na nakanak talaga na.
Kasi what if after 1 you're like, shit, ayoko na.
Totoo.
Kasi what if ganon, diba?
Kaya parang, we'll see. Pero ngayon, parang sa imagination ko lang, aamats ka talaga. What if 5?
Yeah.
Para masaya.
That's crazy. Because you've really, like, since your 20s to now, you've been working since what? How old are you? Or how long ka na nagko-content?
Yung sa content creation, siguro mga 8 years na.
8 years na. And then before that, what were you doing?
Yung first work ko, call center agent.
Really? I didn't know that. How long ka naglast sa call center?
1 year. Tapos
Wow.
nag-stop lang yon kasi nga, nung kinuha na nila ako sa noontime show.
Okay, but the call center, 1 year din yon. That's really not easy work.
Totoo.
You know, like,
grabe.
it's really, really hard work. Were your hours late? Or...
Nung nagtitrain ako, parang graveyard shift. Tapos, kasi sa call center namin, ganun, kailangan gagalingan mo, nakabase sa stats mo, kung ano yung schedule mo, para you can choose.
Okay.
So, ginagalingan ko talaga. Sobrang competitive ako. Hindi, gagaling ako
because
dito.
you're the panganay eh. So, you're like that.
Oo, medyo may ganun talaga ako. So, para makuha ko, kasi gusto ko talaga yung mga schedule na, konti lang ang schedule ng mga 8 to 5. Kasi nga, di ba parang kabaliktaran siya ng US?
Yes.
So, mas marami yung schedule ng panggabi. Ayoko magpanggabi talaga.
Okay. So, kailangan mo galingan to get the slots that you want or the hours that you want.
Oo, kasi na-experience ko na gabi ako magtatrabaho. Tapos, pagkagising mo, papasok ka na lang. Kasi nga, you have no energy anymore.
Yeah.
So, nung morning shift ako, parang nakaka-aura ka pa after.
Yes.
Parang
you have a day pa, hindi yung parang haggard ka agad.
Oo, tsaka parang kunyari, kahit nga, 3 a.m. ako matutulog. Kaya akong gumising ng 7 para lumaban ulit sa buhay kinabukasan.
Were you the kind na nung nag-work ka, were you the one that like does your makeup pa before you go to work? Were you like that?
Actually, hindi talaga ako masyadong ma-makeup. Pero, nag-aayos naman ako.
Ka,
hindi lang
like
ako
that.
talaga like super yung kunyari talagang gigising ako ng maaga para lang
umaura, ganon.
Minsan, pagkabagong ligo ko dahil late ako rin lagi nun.
It's like basa pa yung hair mo, you get to work.
Tapos sa LRT na ako nagme-makeup. Kaya ko yan.
Yeah.
Sa jeep, kaya ko yan.
And then, you started on the noontime show. Like, were you still in the call center and then you got accepted into the noontime show or parang you took a break?
Ano siya, parang instant actually yung nangyari. Bigla na lang life switch.
Really?
Oo, biglang kinabukasan, famous na si ate.
Wow!
Parang ganun yung
like,
eksena.
As an overnight big star, ganon.
Oo, parang
like,
ganun. Ganun ko siya nare-recall. Ang feeling, pero parang feeling ko talaga, from nobody na kumbaga normal day na nag-work,
Yeah.
na biglang kinabukasan, ay taray, asa noon time
Yeah.
show.
Wait, how did that happen? Nag-audition ka ba? Or like, were you scouted?
Hindi. Ang nangyari nun, di ba para akong, kaya siya pastillas girl.
Okay.
Kasi, meron akong video no na nag-viral sa internet to.
Okay.
So, banging-bangi talaga ako the last night na
Okay.
ginawa ko yung video. Kasi nasa walwal broken era talaga ako nito.
Were you single
That time.
that time?
Kasi nga parang, broken talaga ako, Talagang yung hugot ko nun
What?
iba.
You know, I've never seen this video.
Oh my God, sige.
What was...
Ate, yung dati kong nose, hindi. Sige, go.
I just searched Pastillas Girl. What's the video ba? Is it on YouTube?
Paano gumawa ng pastillas?
Oh, is it this one? Oh, wait. It's a Pastillas Girl Kilalanin.
88. Yeah. Keep it up. Mga ka ng materials. Sa dalawin.
Okay.
So, kami isang habay-habay. Yan si Plaza po.
That's so funny. That's the video that
So,
went viral.
hugot.
Okay. And this went viral where? Where did you post this nun?
Sa Facebook, actually, naka-private pa yan. Kasi nga, nagmura ako dyan.
Okay.
Ganyan. Actually, eto total naman, nag-bring up na tayo ng mga bagay-bagay.
Yes.
Super nabash ako dyan. Kasi,
This video, the first video?
oo yan. Kasi nabash ako dahil yung script na yan, nagva-viral talaga yan, like sa internet.
Okay.
So, meron, syempre, alam mo naman yung copyright to the owner,
So they're saying na
ganyan.
you copied someone.
Oo, parang, actually, hindi ko naman talaga kinlame ever.
You just said it lang. Doesn't mean na it's yours.
Kumbaga parang script kasi siya na nag-viral.
Okay.
So, ako naman, syempre, kasi hugot ko nga siya
Yes.
So, binideo ko siya. Naka-private nga yun, hindi ko naman talaga alam na magva-viral yan. Tapos,
Okay.
hanggang sa parang siguro dami nakarelate, ganyan na, sinaloko rin ako ng jowa ko, ganyan. So,
I see.
i-ano mo na, i-public mo na. So, yung mami ko, ayaw niya na kung nagmumura ako. Pero, sige nga, for clout, sige
Yeah.
na, pinpublic ko na, tapos nag-viral na. Tapos, hindi ko to makakalimutan kasi, tumatambay din ako sa vape shop ni Billy Crawford.
Okay.
Meron siyang vape shop sa QC.
Okay.
Tapos, dahil nga taga-showtime siya before,
Yes.
doon siya nag-host nun. So, parang sabi niya lang na, uy, ang ganda, kumbaga nag-viral yung video,
Mhm.
ganyan. So, eto, Aldab days to,
Okay.
Aldab, so talagang parang,
Wow.
shocks.
This is 2016. No?
2015.
2015.
Eto, Aldab days, grabe talaga.
Wow.
Sobrang fan din ako ng Aldab noon.
Okay.
Talagang kahit na nagko-call center ako, 'di ba, pagdating ng 12, makikita mo talaga sa mga karinderya ng call center, talagang nakatutok lahat ng tao. So, yun na, parang since friend ko naman si Billy, sabi niya, go, punta ko sa showtime para, kunyari, kung makukuha ka, ganyan. You'll
Okay.
never know. Wala naman ding promises.
Yes.
Wala rin, kumbaga, invitation lang din naman. So,
Just
parang,
try. Parang ganon.
Oh,
Like you just
parang-
showed up.
parang pumunta ako na, lang ako, hindi ko naman talaga alam anong mangyayari kasi nga, pagpunta ko doon, lang naman as in, ang tawag dito, yung nanonood ka lang sa,
Yes. The audience.
audience. Oo, nanonood ka lang doon. So, nung bigla nila ako pinakilala, ay, ang tere, ako na pala, kasama pala ako.
Wow.
Tapos, parang nagustuhan naman siguro nila or like nag-pick up naman. So, pinabalik naman nila ako kinabukasan. So, from there, doon na nag-start na
Nagtuloy-tuloy
talaga.
na.
Oo.
And then wait, gagawa daw siya ng yema. So what's this? Like, lahat ba ginawa mo? Like, is it like so many?
May yema pa ba ako? Pero hindi na nag-viral. Basta parang may second video pa ba yata ako nilabas?
Ayan, kwento ni Pastillas Girl. That's you?
Ako yan.
Oh my God, you look so different.
Bagets, di ba? It's the nose, Sorry.
No, really? Did you post your nose job ba?
Oo.
Were you honest?
Oo.
Wow, I
Oo
love that for you.
naman.
I love that for you though. Because a lot of people, they pretend that, oh, wala akong pinagawa. So I love that you're open about it. Because syempre, it gives people like a more realistic.
Tsaka, mapapansin nila yan. Di ba? Parang, ano to? Bigla na lang, pagising ko,
Yeah.
binigyan ako na ni Lord ng nose na bago.
Who's your doctor?
Sino ba to? SB Clinic.
Okay.
SB Clinic. Magaling siya kasi Korean doctor siya.
Okay, that's why I
Nagustuhan
like
ko.
your nose talaga.
Thank
Wow.
you.
It's like, I see you, but this is your beginning. Your
Wala
humble
akong pera
beginnings.
yan. Wala
That's
pa
why
akong,
they say there's nobody that's ugly, just broke.
wala akong pera yan.
No, but it's so crazy that this is how you started pala.
Ganyan.
Okay, and then nag-content ka na after this, or like sabay. Like, as you're doing this, how many times ka nag-showtime ba? Was it like a long, like they kept getting you back?
Siguro mga 3 months.
Yeah, that's long.
3 months, ganyan. Tapos, after na nag-Viva na ako,
Yeah.
so, doon na na-try ko na yung acting,
Okay.
hosting, ganyan. Pero hindi talaga ako like yung super, talagang naging artista levels.
Did you not want to? Is it not for you?
Parang yung world itself, I
Okay.
think, parang dahil sobrang bilis nangyari ng everything.
So, you're posting content during this time, or parang nagtuloy-tuloy lang after?
Nagtuloy-tuloy na.
Yeah.
Siyempre, tinake advantage ko na
Yeah, that's good.
nandiyan na ako
Yeah.
diba? So,
But why didn't you go the artista route na lang? Because some people, they prefer to be in acting rather than content.
kung feeling ko, tama ka naman na
Yeah.
kung ginusto ko naman din siya,
Feeling
talagang
ko, you'd-
gagawin
Oo.
ko. Pero parang feeling ko, it's more on the environment din.
Okay.
Parang dahil nga nabigla ako dun sa environment, hindi ko alam paano mag-a-adjust. So, hindi ko alam na, ganito pala dito. Parang
Yeah.
kailangan talaga magaling ka sa showbiz kasi hindi ka talaga makasurvive.
In what way? Do you have to be magaling? Like thick skin?
Oo, totoo. Parang, well, syempre may mga, alam mo na
Yeah.
yan, di ba? Alam mo
Yeah.
na yan sa showbiz, parang kailangan mong maging like, paborito ni ganito.
Yes.
Kailangan,
There's like politics in that way, you
Totoo,
know? Like
oo.
the favoritism or...
Oo.
And again, I think with any job naman kasi, you know, like even if you work in a corporate job, parang may mga ganong instances na you have to be the favorite of the boss or whatever. But in showbiz, it's like so much bigger.
Totoo. So like, parang ako, since, siguro katigasan ng ulo ko, or hindi rin kasi ako ganong klaseng tao. Sanay
Okay.
kasi ako talaga na pagka meron akong gustong marating, pinaghihirapan ko. Ayoko
Okay.
ng mga like, yung pagsikat ko nga, di ba parang, syempre, deserve ko ba to? Kasi parang ang
Did you-
bilis eh.
Did you have that, what's that, something mentality, like, imposter syndrome? That's what they call it When you get really good things in life, you start to doubt yourself, or you think like, is this for me talaga? Like, do I deserve this?
O kasi sanay talaga ako na pagka meron nga akong gusto, pinaghihirapan ko. So, kaya pagka may mga bagay na mabilis ko nakukuha, parang iniisip ko kung, shit, mabilis to dumating, baka mabilis to mawala.
Yeah, that's how I am also. Because I feel like if I didn't work hard for it, I don't deserve it. So, life can just take it away.
Tsaka parang ang hirap niya i-brag di ba?
Yeah.
Parang wala akong bragging rights na, hoy, pinaghirapan ko to, ganyan,
Yeah.
di ba? Parang hindi mo masabi talaga ng ganun.
But how was your family receiving your new fame? Kasi syempre, it's like you go from call center and then the next day you're famous. Was
Siya-
your mom or your siblings like, what's going on? How is this?
Oo.
Yeah.
Kumbaga parang nalilito rin sila sa buhay na, ano na nangyayari? Pero syempre, it's a good thing.
Yeah, yeah.
Yung mami ko nga, kinukwento ng sister ko na nag-showtime ako, daw siya, nag-divisoria.
And then,
Nag-divisoria, parang, suki, bigyan mo ako ng tawad. Kasi, susuotin to ng anak ko bukas sa showtime. May ganyan.
wow.
Oo, anak ko si Pastillas Girl. May ganyan siya, mga
Wow.
ex-exe na noon dati, nakakatawa.
That's so cute though.
Oo.
Parang supportive din nila for you.
Oo, syempre, gusto niya yan. Kumbaga parang, nung buhay pa yung mom ko, talagang parang, ayan ang
Oh,
mga...
she passed away?
Oo.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Kasagsagan din ng show. At ayun, dami talaga nangyari sa akin ng 2015.
Yeah.
Kasagsagan ng showtime, nategi siya.
Swear? That same year?
Oo.
That's so crazy.
Crazy talaga. Parang
Wow.
parang, ano na to nangyayari sa boy ko? Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, Wild Days, talagang, ang gulo. Ang gulo
Yeah.
na nangyayari na to. Binabash ako ng Aldab, lahat, sabay-sabay.
Why was Alda bashing you? Or the fans? The
Oo
fans of
naman.
Alda?
Oo,
Why?
hindi, ayan na naman, natatakot na naman ako, natatrauma na naman ako. Hindi yung Alda fans, kasi nga, di ba, syempre, pinipit kami talaga ni Main.
Against each other.
Oo,
But
against each other.
it's because it's just competitiveness, right? It's just the
Showtime versus
natural,
Eat Bulaga.
it's just the natural, like, how people are.
Oo.
At the
Pero
time.
sobrang bait ni Main.
Yeah.
Sobrang bait niya. Na-meet ko siya. Parang ang bait niya talaga.
Yeah.
Kaya natawa ako na, shit, dati, nag-ano
Yeah.
lang. Kumbaga parang versus. Tapos ngayon, alam mo kasi, wala naman
Yeah.
talaga akong kalaban-laban kay Main.
No, but I think then it's just media making it about that rather than how you really feel about each other naman.
Oo,
No?
kumbaga parang wala namang personal lang. Kasi
Oo.
wala naman kami pinagawa yan,
Yeah.
di ba? Kaya lang syempre, yung comparison, nakakasira rin talaga ng ulo yan.
Yeah.
So, andun yung parang mag-viral yung picture na si Min, naka-graduate kasi siya,
Okay.
Hugot ko talaga to, 2015. Alam mo yung comparison picture namin sa internet?
Why?
Naka-graduation, siya. Yung
Like,
picture
yeah,
niya. Oo.
okay.
Tapos, ang picture ko talaga, yung nag-yosi ako. Ayun talaga ayun ang picture na, alam mo,
Parang
diba,
just to paint a picture na, oh, she's better, she's like this, she's...
tapos ako talaga nagda-doubt ako sa sarili ko na, parang, sa mundo ko sa
Yeah.
mundo ko, I think, sa mundo ko, parang okay lang naman ako, normal lang naman to.
Yeah.
Ang dami namin sa call center, nag-yosi kami,
Yeah.
diba? Pero parang, nung tinabi na ako sa kanya, parang, shit, wala akong kwenta. Parang wala
That's how
akong kwenta-kwenta.
That's what made you feel.
Oo, ganun yung nangyari. Even yung mga tao rin, ganun. Pero, kumbaga parang, rin,
Yeah. Aww.
experience din talaga siya.
Yeah. But I'm glad that now you can laugh about it
Oo.
Because I'm sure back then, iyak-iyak ka or you
Totoo.
feel, right?
Para akong kawawang-kawawa, no? Kawawa naman ako. Pero, hindi ko talaga pinapakita sa social
Yes.
media yun na feeling ko kawawa ako. Kasi, ayoko talaga na parang
Yeah. Siyempre, bida ka.
Oo,
Yeah.
ayoko makikita nila na kawawa
Loser.
naman si Angel. No,
Yeah.
hindi. Laban ako dyan.
Now, at this stage in your life, how do you feel when people call you Pastillas Girl?
Okay lang.
Okay.
Parang, lang siya, natanggap ko na hindi kasama talaga yun sa buhay ko.
Okay.
Kasi 'di ba parang Pastillas Girl, Jeje mo 'di ba nung atake nung Pastillas Girl
Versus
2015.
Angel.
Oo. Pero ngayon parang ang saya kasi syempre kilala na nila ako as Angel. Pero yung Pastillas Girl, in-embrace ko talaga siya na syempre sobrang grateful ko rin na kasama talaga siya sa journey ko. Hindi ko siya
Yeah.
pwede burahin sa life.
Yes, and I think you wouldn't be the person you are now if you were in Pastillas Girl before.
Totoo.
Diba? So, do you ever feel though, like now that I played your video, syempre you don't watch it regularly, do you feel like, oh my God, ang cringe? Is that how you feel?
Mga episodes pa kami dyan sa show, iyak-iyak pa ako, di ba?
Really?
Oo, may mga eksena pa dyan na may mga moments pa kami dyan. You
Iyak?
should, alam mo,
You know what, tonight, so stalk kita.
i-binge watch mo yan.
Yeah.
Meron pang eksena doon na yung ex ko, nag-reunite kami doon.
Swear?
Oo.
Oh my God, this is so crazy.
Totoo. Pati, ang eksena kasi yan, Diyos ko, ito na naman. Yung ex ko,
Okay.
naging sila nung parang best friend ko nung time na yon.
Okay.
So, yun ang hugot ko talaga. Kaya ako nag-video ng ganyan. So, nung nasa showtime na, edi nag-reunite, nagkita o nagkaiyakan sa, nagkaiyakan. The next week, with best friend naman, reunite,
Huh?
ganyan. Oo.
Crazy. That must be playing with your emotions din, no? Like, as a person.
Oo
You're starting to think like, oh my God,
naman.
he's your ex again, and then best friend, and then like this. Diba, nakakabaliw din siya.
Totoo.
No?
Tapos parang, syempre, bagets ka pa, kaya parang, pero alam mo, parang nung time na yon, doon ko talaga nakita kung anong klase rin akong tao. Doon
Yeah.
sa mga ganong moments ko naman nakikita na,
Ganto ka.
So, pagka ba naharap pala ako sa mga ganitong situation, ano pala, parang, patatawarin ko lang pala. Kasi taga-tangaan ko, nagbalikan pa kami doon.
Your ex?
Tanga.
It's okay. Everyone's been through that din naman. But did people see that on cam also? Like, they saw you guys get back together?
Oo, nag-vlog pa kami,
Wow.
Wala
But
na
you
yung
know
mga
what?
vlog namin, morado na. Pero, nakakatawa na lang.
Yeah, but you know what? Looking back, you have to be cringe kasi first, and then later you can be cool. You know what I mean?
Oo.
Like, you wouldn't be cool now or you wouldn't have the things you have now if hindi ka cringe nun.
Totoo. So,
Diba?
kailangan mong gawin eh.
Yeah. Wala. You can't be shy talaga if that's what you want. Did you
Pakapala ng face.
Did you want to be famous? Like, you know, when you're a little girl, you're like, oh, one day I hope I'm a star.
Oo
or something.
naman.
Yeah, diba?
Kumbaga para feeling ko kasama naman sa mga dreams ng mga little girls yan. Until parang haharapin mo na talaga yung totoong mundo na imposible. So parang ako nga parang natanggap ko na imposible na to. Tapos biglang binigay sa akin. Di ba? Parang,
Na kaya pala,
Oo,
na it could be for you.
hindi mo talaga masabi ang life.
Yes. And then, during that time, so, diba, what's that, call center, noontime show, and then acting.
Mm-mm.
How long did you stay sa acting?
Mga ano lang yan, mini-mini projects
Okay.
lang na mga eksena yun. Tapos, mas more on ang mga projects ko with Viva kasi hosting,
Okay.
ganyan. Tapos, eventually nga, parang nag-vlog na lang ako.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, parang sabi ko, ito naman talaga yung dream ko. Kung
Yeah.
actually, hindi mag-artista yung dream ko. More like realistic nga ako na nung nagko-call center ako, hindi mag-iipon ako for camera, gusto ko maging vlogger.
Okay.
Mas vlogger talaga.
Yeah. So, parang in the end, yun din nakuha mo.
Totoo.
Diba? You know what's so funny? I went on Itbulaga one time, and I did this segment where it's like, it's so fucking bad if you think about it now. Parang puro kasi tibo. Okay?
Okay.
And then like, this is like, technically, if you think about it now, cancelable siya, diba?
Oh,
Kasi they put us in a line, all girls that are gay.
Mhm.
And then the audience, or like, I forgot if it's the audience or the hosts, have to guess sino yung tibo and sino yung hindi tibo.
Oh.
I forgot the name of the segment. So, parang nakapila kami there, right? And then Main's asking me like, what's your favorite color? Yung mga ganon. And then she's asking you questions. And then you have to answer it. And then magvo-vote sila, tibo ba to, hindi to tibo. And then,
Ganun pala.
yeah, I did it once.
Bakit?
Para sa 5K.
For the
Like, for-
experience
yeah.
lang din.
Yeah, but you know, when you're young, 5K, that's like a
Oo
lot.
naman.
You know? I'm sure for your segments, you're probably being paid more. But,
Hindi
okay.
Parang mga ano lang ako.
Mga range na lang. Basta less than 10K for sure.
Less than 5.
Less than 5K. Yeah, okay. So, imagine at the time though, like, you're working full-time at a call center. Me, I was in school pa. When you tell me like 5K, 2-hour appearance,
Totoo.
go ko yan.
Totoo.
Kahit ano pa yan, kahit sabihin ba akong tibo-tibo. Like,
Gagawin mo lahat para sa pera, te.
yeah. And then I look back now, and syempre I would never do that now,
Mhm.
right? Like, I forget the names of the other hosts, and then they were like, talaga, tibo ka? And I was like, yes.
So, etong mga ibang
Parang
tipo
sa'yo.
na to, hindi sila totoong tibo.
Yeah.
Ikaw yung
Ako
totoo.
ako yung
Oo.
totoong tibo. Kasi ako yung parang feminine.
Aha.
So parang you can't guess the real tibo. Gets ba?
Oo.
Ganon. And then, kasama ko pa ex ko noon sa
Mm-mm,
audience.
mm-mm.
And then what the camera did was they panned naman to my ex. And then, they didn't tell her na may interview siya. So, pinagalitan pa siya ng mama niya kasi syempre hindi siya ganun ka-out. Like, out siya, but not to the point na noontime show.
Oo.
Na, you know, like, syempre her family or yung mga relatives, they would see it. So when they panned to my ex, they were interviewing her like, oh, what did you like about her? Keme-keme.
Biglaan, di ba?
Biglaan.
Ganyan talaga sila.
So in the end, we were laughing like, worth it ba yung 5K? At the time, yes, worth it pa rin. I didn't care what anyone said. And my mom was getting mad at me. She was like, I hope it was worth it, the 5,000. I said, it's worth it. Because I remember that weekend, nag-Valkyrie. That was a live pa. At the time, nag-Valkyrie pa ako nun. I was not smart with my money, but I was like enjoying, diba? For 5K.
Ang saya.
Ang saya talaga. Oh, I wanna do a guesting again for the Vibes. You know what I wish I did? Pinoy Henyo. Yung mga ganon na games.
Mm.
Kasi I'm slow sa mga, you know that like minute to win it or something? I'm slow sa mga ganon.
So hindi ka maliksi sa mga ganyan.
Maliksi. Wow, I like that. Yeah, I'm not talaga. So
Hindi ka
maybe
sporty.
hindi ako sporty. So there. So now that you finally became the content creator like full time, diba? You've been vlogging for 8 years. When did you start vlogging with Archie?
2019.
2019. Pero kayo na ba nun?
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Hindi pa.
Wait, so paano yung vlogs na yun? Like, just hanging out?
Oo, kasi ang story naman nun, meron kaming group before na
Okay.
lagi kaming magkakasama eh. So,
Like barkada?
so work. sa
Okay.
work. So, parang may one time may nagsabi sa amin na huy, bagay kayo. May chemistry kayo. Parang
Okay.
ganon. Kasi mahilig kami magkulitan. Kasi makulit si Archie.
Okay.
Tapos ako din, palasagot. Para,
Yeah.
alam mo yung palaban din ako. So,
Yeah.
may mga banters talaga kami na
Entertaining for
Oo.
people. Okay.
So, na-entertain yung buong group namin. So, parang may chemistry kayo.
Yeah.
So, like, parang, talaga, parang, so, tinry namin. Niyaya ko siya mag-vlog, ganyan.
Okay.
Ako, hard to get pa yan nung una kasi talagang, hindi yan, syempre rapper
Yeah.
siya eh. So, like, puro angas, ganyan.
At that
Ay,
time, rapper na talaga siya. Like, he was
oo,
popular
oo.
na.
Oo.
Okay. And you at the time, content creator na.
Mm-mm.
You're, okay. So, you didn't want to buy in kasi rapper, you're thinking like, oh, cheater, whatever.
Actually, wala naman siyang issue na ganun.
Okay.
So, kumbaga parang, kahit na sobrang, yung grupo nila nga, masyadong maingay.
Yeah.
Siya wala naman siyang issue na ganyan. So,
Okay. Why
at the
was
same
what
time-
was your fear? Like, why didn't you want to date him at the start?
hindi naman ako, gusto niya ba ako? Hindi naman
okay.
kasi kami yung parang landian.
Okay.
So, parang talaga kaming magkaibigan, magtropa na
Gets.
nagbubwisitan lang kami. Ganyan kami
Wow.
nag-start.
You know, that's sometimes the best, diba? Like,
Totoo.
that's how you end up really in a strong relationship if you're friends first.
Totoo.
Yeah.
Kumbaga parang kung babalikan mo, ayan yung mga foundation ng relationship namin.
Yeah.
Kaya kahit until now, we can really be honest with each other.
Kasi masasabi mo talaga that's your best friend.
Totoo.
Or that's your person
Mm-mm.
outside of like being a lover lang or being a relationship in a relationship.
Tsaka mahirap like, sa mundo natin
Mm-mm.
mahirap na makahanap ka ng mga tao na talagang honest. Yung talagang walang secret
Yeah.
animosity sa'yo,
Yes.
diba? Na parang, gusto ko lang yung best for you.
Yes.
So, kami yung ganun sa isa't isa na if I say something na parang, uy, parang ganito ka, ganyan. Ganon din siya sa akin. So, tinatanggap namin yun as constructive criticism.
Yeah.
Hindi siya parang like, personal.
Yeah. But, you know, over the years, syempre, like every relationship has its ups and downs, right? It has
Mhm.
its ups and downs. And even you, I'm sure in your previous relationships,
Mhm.
right? Were you always a lover girl? Or did you also enjoy like your single era?
Nako, parang lover girl. Talaga ako.
Really?
Parang one after the other, after the other.
After like
ganyan.
1 week, next na.
Hindi naman 1 week. Siguro, hindi kasi, syempre, nung mga bagets-bagets era
Yeah.
ako, parang, ayoko yung feeling ng broken eh.
So, it's like you're quick to move on and jump to the next.
Oo. At the same time, pag babae ka kasi, hindi ka naman talaga makikipaghiwalay as in talagang pag-move on ka na.
Yes.
Iba talaga yung move on ng babae sa lalaki.
Yeah. I feel like I move on in the relationship. And then after the relationship, I'm good na.
Ako din.
Kasi parang iniiyakan ko na while. So that when I walk away, I'm safe. Like,
Totoo.
I know that I made the right choice.
Same.
Are you the same?
Same. Kaya parang, pagka naghiwalay tayo, kung magkaroon man ako ng jowa ulit after 3 months, huwag kang mag-alala. Parang,
Yeah.
minove on ko muna to sa'yo na magkasama tayo.
Yeah. And iniyakan mo na to their faces. Like,
Oo.
oh, I wish you would change and all of that. Diba? It's like they've seen all that na.
Oo, kumbaga parang, iniyakan mo na, nagmakaawa ka na, parang awa mo na, magbago ka na. Pero, wala. Kaya parang, safe to say naman na yung mga naging ex ko rin, syempre parang, nagugulat din, kumbaga parang nagugulat sila na iniwan mo bigla, kaya parang habol naman sila ng habol
Yes.
after. Kasi parang nagugulat sila, bakit ayaw mo na? Anong ginawa ko? Hala?
Na para bang,
Na para bang kahapon lang ako nagreklamo,
Yeah.
tapos iniwan na kita, di ba?
yeah, that's why I don't believe in the, like, you have to wait for 3 months to date somebody new. Because like, I really move on differently Like, I can cope while in the relationship.
Talaga, parang
Yeah.
hindi mo tinitake against yourself kapag ka nakikipag-date
No.
ka right after the breakup.
No, I'm okay because I really know na I'm the kind of person that I give in the relationship.
Mm.
So, once it's over, I've given my everything. I have nothing left. Like, that's it.
Feeling ko Leo ganyan.
Yeah?
Talaga, parang kahit si Archie din kasi, iba yung loyalty talaga.
Okay.
Kahit siya konti lang naging girlfriend niya, talagang, kumbaga talaga pagka nasa relationship, talaga.
Locked in.
Oo. Pero pag
Okay.
wala, syempre, walwal. Pero
Yeah.
pagka nasa relationship, talagang nandun.
You didn't see any red flags with Archie before getting into the relationship? Or did you ever get the ick?
Ang pinaka-ayoko lang sa kanya dati, ano siya, parang mabilis kasi siyang mag-init yung ulo niya.
Oh, I'm like that also though.
Oo, pero mabilis din humupa.
Yeah.
So, baka it's a little
Yeah.
thing.
I'm quick to get mad but quick to forget also. It's like, parang may spikes lang.
Walang in between.
Yeah, it's either super good or super not okay.
Oo.
Yeah.
So parang ako kasi naman, parang as a panganay,
Yeah.
diba? Kasi middle child din si Archie.
Okay.
So, kakasabi ko nga lang neto, siguro a week ago na siguro kaya nahahandle ko si Archie kasi sanay na ako sa kapatid ko, sa sister ko. Pero parang, yun nga, walang gitna. Ako pagka, syempre mag-heads up ka muna kung pagalit na
Yes.
ako, tugilan mo na ako. Siya talaga parang, hala, parang, yun lang yung mga
Yeah.
naging problem ko sa kanya na ngayon, in fairness
Yeah.
naman, talagang, dahil, syempre nagko-compromise naman sa
Yeah.
relationship.
And you also know each other better na rin at this
Oo.
time. Because I think you guys moved in so quickly together, diba?
Oo, parang naging kami, tas nag-pandemic agad. So, 1 week pa lang yata naging kami, pandemic na. So,
You're forced to stay together, to really get to
Totoo.
know each other.
oo.
And that's usually when couples break up, Like, you know,
Talaga?
yeah, because you know those couples na they wait till marriage and then they move in together. Kaya sila nag-aaway kasi they never got that chance to just get to know each other. But you guys, during pandemic, you moved in na agad?
Oo.
Damn.
So, talagang, actually, yung first year talaga namin, doon talaga namin nakilala yung isa't isa
Yeah.
na, ganito pala siya, ganito rin ako. So, yun naman ang nagustuhan ko rin with Archie kasi talagang, hindi siya nahihiyang ipakita kung sino siya.
Okay. And even small things, I'm sure you were learning about, like, okay, he wakes up at this time in the morning, or this is how he sleeps at night.
Oo. May mga kino-communicate ako sa kanya na, ayoko ng ganito. Kasi mababaw rin ako matulog. So, ayoko rin yung mga,
Loud noises.
oo. Tsaka yung parang gigisingin ka na hindi mo pa talaga time ng gising. Ayoko ng mga ganun. Siya, super sweet kasi rin siya. So, gusto niya kikiss lang, pero syempre magigising ka na. Yung
Yeah.
mga ganun, feeling ko na ano na namin yan, napag-usapan na rin namin.
Nagets
yan.
na.
Oo.
Like your routines, no? But how long have you guys been together in total? 6 years?
6 years.
Wow. Are you ready for a ring?
Pinag-uusapan na namin siya ni Archie kung kailan, ganyan.
Aww.
Kumbaga parang, hindi naman like specifics, pero
Yeah.
like, may plans kami.
Aww. I love
Ayoko
that.
lang yung ayoko lang yung feeling na pinipressure talaga ako ng mga tao. Kasi nga, di ba, parang 6 years, wala ka pa rin ring,
Yeah.
ganyan. Hindi naman nila alam yung mga, kumbaga yung timetable namin, hindi naman nila alam. Kumbaga, hindi naman nila alam yung plans namin.
Or what you're going through behind the scenes. Like, what if you wanna focus on this muna? What if you wanna build a house? What if you wanna, everyone has
Oo.
their own different processes, diba?
Akala nila, pagka ang tagal nyo na sa relationship, pag di ka pinapakasalan, kawawa ka. Kumbaga, well, gets naman.
For
Kasi,
some.
oo.
Yeah, for some.
May mga babae naman talaga na totoo naman, 'di ba? Parang pinag-antay mo na matagal tapos hindi mo naman pala papakasalan, 'di
Yeah,
ba?
like 10 years and then they break up. Yung mga
Oo.
ganon.
Pero
Kawawa naman.
ano naman, parang syempre life ko naman 'to. So,
Yeah.
kumbaga accountable naman ako sa kung anong mangyayari sa akin. Huwag kayong mag-alala. Kung di ako papakasalan ni Archie, tanggap ko naman 'yan, 'di ba? Pero syempre hindi ba ako papayag ng gano'n. So,
Yeah. No, and may control ka rin sa life mo diba? I kind of don't like what they say, you don't have a choice but to wait for a man. It's like, no, if you wanted to leave, you can din naman. It's not naman na you're just there every day like waiting for 6 years, diba?
Alam mo
You have
kasi sa mga
control.
tao, mas nagmamatter kasi sa kanila na, syempre, sikat si Archie like talagang...
May sikat ka din.
Well, pero kasi,
Well.
nandoon yung comparison ng mga tao na, syempre, flow G siya So,
Okay, hindi.
akala
Angel
nila,
Yap to Oh. Hello,
you.
check.
Thank you,
Hello.
sis. Pero parang, kumbaga kung sa busy at busy lang, mas
Yeah.
busy talaga siya. And
Okay.
kita naman ng mga tao na busy siya, di ba? But at the same time, meron din akong mga sarili
Yeah.
kong shit.
Yes.
So, sa kanila kasi, ang importante lang yata yung shit ni
Yeah.
Archie. So,
Because they're fans of him, maybe. So they feel
Oo.
like, what is he working on ba now? Album or songs, music
Oo,
videos, the
mga-
usual things, right?
oo. So, iniisip nila nga na pagka babae ka, for the weight ka lang. Ay, hindi ako nagwe-weight.
You're busy din, ah.
Oo, kumbaga parang kung si Archie, busy din siya na i-build yung life niya,
Yeah.
yung career niya. Ako din, parang meron din
Yeah.
akong mga eksena. Syempre, hindi ko na lang din,
Sinishare lahat.
oo,
Which is fine, diba? Hindi naman nila kailangan malaman like everything that you do.
totoo.
But if you can share a little bit of what you're busy with, like aside from, I know that you upload vlogs here and there, pero for more passion project siya, diba?
Ngayon parang, kumbaga, pagka may free time ako, nag-journal ako,
Okay,
ganyan.
yeah.
Pero pagka aside sa content creation, hinahandle, bago na rin kasi yung, si Flo G kasi is
Okay.
self-managed na now.
Okay.
So-
Did you have a manager before?
Yes.
Okay.
Tapos, kumbaga parang mutual agreement naman to na mutually agreed naman na, sige na, mag-separate ways na tayo, ganyan. So, I'm the one handling him now.
Oh, Kris Jenner.
oo. Wow.
Wow, Kris
Sige.
Jenner pala to.
Kaya perfect yung 5 anak.
Yeah.
Sorry. So, yun yung pinagkakabisihan ko ngayon.
Yeah, so his brand deals or like things like that, you're the one fixing all of those or managing it.
oo.
Wow.
Hindi naman din alam ng mga tao yan, diba?
Yes.
So, busy talaga ako, guys. Ano ba kayo? Huwag kayong masyadong dyan.
And what if you want to chill? Is that wrong also? Diba?
Oo,
Like,
parang,
what if you wanted to be a housewife lang? Is that wrong? Diba? It's like, I feel like kasi din, people project their, like, what they want for you. Or like, you know, or they're so quick to judge like, oh, this is how, if I was Flo G's girlfriend, this is how I would be. You know what I
Oo.
mean? But hindi naman. Like, I think everyone has their choice to live their life how they want.
Tsaka happy ako kasi kumbaga parang, alam mo, share ko lang din to, no? Kasi, baka iniisip nila, kawawa ka naman. Hindi ako kawawa. Parang, sobrang inaalagaan ako ni Archie. Kumbaga,
Okay.
kaya nga tong mga work na ginagawa ko for him, managing him, parang, ano ko na lang din to, pa-thank you ko na lang din kasi nga syempre ma-pride ako, ayoko nang may utang na loob. Pero eventually alam mo na from masculine energy ko na dati na parang ako yung nagpo-provide sa guys, sa relationship, to ngayon na parang very nasa feminine energy ako. Parang ang sarap pala.
Yeah, and I see it.
Dapat.
You're such a soft girl now. I tried to stalk you a little bit last night before this. Like I was watching some of your vlogs every now and then. And even the way that you speak before versus now, iba yung energy. Like iba yung aura mo now.
Kasi dapat before, laban ka lang ng laban sa life eh. Kaya nga, di ba parang, kailangan may upload every week. Kailangan kung pwedeng every day.
Yeah. Pero
Ganyan.
nakakabaliw din yun at the time, like thinking, okay, what can I make for content tomorrow? What can I share? And that's why people are curious what you end up sharing. How come you should end up sharing everything? It's because you're in that mindset na every day I have to upload. So, you end up sharing everything about your life.
Totoo, parang pagka nandun ka sa state na wala ka namang choice, kung
Yeah.
hindi mag-upload na mag-upload, kailangan mo kasi.
Yeah.
Pero ngayon na, syempre kahit papano, nakakapag-chill ka na kasi may choice ka na.
Yes. And it's a privilege na eh.
Oo.
To be at this phase.
Kaya nga parang ako, sobrang grateful lang ako and thankful na parang, kasi nga, kaya ko nang gawin yung mga bagay na ginagawa ko na walang pressure.
Yeah.
Na kung mag-content man ako o hindi, thank you Lord kasi hindi siya need.
Yeah.
Kahit papano naman, binubuhay na tayo. Sorry.
Wow. May ganon.
Thank you. Diba parang kung ano man yung mga na-invest ko kay Flo G, talaga
Yeah.
namang bumalik na siya ng 10 times.
A lot of people were asking what it's like to go from, 0 days to Paldo days. Yeah.
Syempre masaya. Kasi alam parehas din kami ni Archie talaga ng goal, parehas din kami ng parang values din. So, nag-share kami ng values na yung mga meron kami, pinaghihirapan namin.
Yeah. I think what's really nice to note is that, some guys kasi once, they get rich, they change their values or their beliefs or maybe the way that they look at you, it's different because they feel like, oh, I'm like this now, I don't need you anymore. But with you guys, it's like you really grew together eh.
Totoo. Parang, alam mo nung mga first part ng relationship namin, lagi nila kina-question, ginagamit mo lang si Flo G, ganyan, mukha kang pera, ganyan. Pero parang sa akin, hindi ako na-offend kasi parang sa mindset ko alam ko naman anong nangyayari sa amin.
Yes.
Ito yung nabibring ko sa table, ito yung nabibring niya sa table, and then pinagsama namin yun together.
Yes.
Kumbaga parang, kaya nga parang kung makikita nila, kung maririnig nila yung mga interviews ni Archie, magiging grateful ba sa akin si Archie every time na kumbaga kung may mga achievements kami na na-unlock.
Yeah.
Feeling ko naman, hindi naman siya like magiging ganyan kung feeling niya ginamit ko lang siya, diba?
Yun
Like,
din.
kumbaga parang we needed each other.
Yeah.
Super like, kumbaga parang kung ano yung nagawa niya for me, nagawa ko rin for him.
They just don't see that, right? Because it's not publicized, like every little moment that you guys share together or your conversations together. So they don't see the inner workings of a relationship. They only see the result.
Mas tanggap lang nila na, syempre, si Flo G lang yung paldo. Parang ganon.
Bawal na ikaw din, Baldo.
Oo, parang ang nakikita lang nila, si Flo G lang yung may pera, tas ako umaasa lang sa kanya.
Wow, so they really think na you're just like, oh, Flo, can I have money? Like, is that what they think of you?
Oo, noon. Ngayon, ganon na. Ngayon, ganon na.
Ngayon, pwede
Aminado
na.
naman ako.
Yeah.
Kasi kumbaga parang, hindi. Bakit? Kung umuhingi akong pera sa kanya, bakit? Partner ko naman siya.
Provider energy.
Oo, kumbaga parang, tsaka gusto niya yung ginagawa for me.
Okay, what's the nicest gift you got?
Hi!
Yeah.
Kakatanggap. Kakatanggap ko lang ng miyata sa kanya nung, last month?
Oh,
Last
that's so
month.
nice. What color?
White.
Is that what you really wanted? Have you been wanting that? Or was it a surprise?
Parang, kasi parang plano ko na rin sanang ibenta yung Honda ko na Civic. Although
Okay.
nabenta na namin siya. Kaya lang parang, hindi pa siya nabebenta. So like parang sinishare ko lang sa kanya, no, gusto ko nito kasi nakita ko one time nakapark sa mall.
Mhm.
Na, ang ganda nito.
Yeah.
Tapos yung pink version,
Yes.
ganyan. Cute lang. Tapos yun, may one time punta kami ng La Union ng friends ko. Hindi
Mhm.
siya kasama.
Okay.
So, parang kinabukasan, nagising ako na sinurprise niya ako. Pinuntahan niya ako sa La
Aw.
Union. Dala-dala niya yung Miyata. Nagulat talaga ako na, ano yan? Bakit ganyan?
Yeah.
So, yan. Yung mga grateful talaga ako kasi kasama yun yun yung mga bagay na hindi ko naman siya hinihingi. Pero like, yun nga, parang gusto ko siyang bilhin on my own.
Yes.
Pero parang dahil love ako ni Archie, dahil asawa niya ako, like, eto,
Yes.
sinasabi ko na to na asawa kasi like 6 years na kami and alam ko naman na going there na. So, asawa niya ako, so, parang, is it bad?
It's not bad.
Na parang, like, binibigyan niya ako ng ganun.
It's not. And also, it's not like you begged for it. Like, oh, you have to get me this, blah, blah, blah. No. It's like, it's something that he willingly gave because he loves you.
Kaya nga, di ba parang, hindi ko alam kung bakit parang minsan may judgment din yung mga tao na, palamulin lang ta ng asawa niya. Kanino ba ako magiging palamulin sa asawa niyo? Parang ganon, di ba? Basta
Yeah.
parang feeling ko, yun basta may roles talaga ang lalaki at babae sa relationship. It's either yung babae yung provider or yung lalaki yung provider. Iba-iba naman yan.
As long as it works for you guys.
True.
And it looks different on everyone. Like, what works for you might not be what works for somebody else.
Mhm.
And what works for somebody else might not be what works for you then,
Mhm.
diba? So you really can't judge. But, him being a rapper, do you have any rules? Like, do you let him, like, film with girls or, like, hang out with girls? Because it's, like, the rapper
Oo.
lifestyle.
Kumbaga parang, hindi, pag work, syempre.
Oo.
Kumbaga parang, lalo na, di ba, nagmamanage na rin ako
Yes.
sa kanya ngayon. So, parang sa akin, kaya ko naman talaga ihiwalay ang personal with work.
Okay.
Kakakuha lang namin kay Eva Elfie
Okay.
nung music video niya last year.
Who's this?
Si Eva
Eva-
Elfie.
Oh my gosh, I don't know this. She's a porn star?
Oo, kay
How do I
Eva
spell her
Elfie.
name?
Eva.
Eva.
EVA. Elfie.
E-L. I'm learning so much from you today.
Oo, pumunta siya dito. Like, alam mo, super, super nice niya talaga.
Oh, this girl?
Oo. I don't know if, ano pa rin siya, like porn star pa rin siya up to now. Pero, baka sexy star na lang siya ngayon.
Okay. Oh, there, I see it.
Oo, ako ang nakipag-coordinate niyan, ganyan.
Wow.
Kasi nga parang syempre work naman siya.
Yes. But that's so crazy that like it's something that you're comfortable with, because a lot of girls would say, no, I can't have my man around. La, la, la." But I think you have such a good mindset where you understand if work, it's work. If it's relationship, it's relationship.
Siguro nga kasi dahil parehas naman kami ng kumbaga ginagalawan na industry.
Yeah.
So, naiintindihan ko.
Ah.
And syempre iba rin kasi yung binibigay niya sa akin na security. Hindi ko naman din mabablame yung ibang babae kung like sila parang praning sila na, "Ay,
Yeah.
hindi, ayoko yan." Hindi sila comfortable or like,
Yeah.
hindi, kumbaga, na-insecure sila. Dapat talaga rin kasi, binibigay din ng lalaki yung security.
Yeah.
So, hindi naman nagkukulang si Archie doon sa akin. So, wala rin akong
Yeah.
problem na payagan siya.
So it's because he gives you that, you know, that safety and that emotion. It's not just financial security, it's emotional security.
Totoo.
You really feel in your heart like, oh, okay, I don't have to worry about this on set. Like he's not gonna randomly DM her or do, you know, something behind your back because you know him.
Sobrang gaan. Yung
Yeah.
ganan. Kasi ayoko yung pakiramdam talaga na parang binabantay. Ayoko yung, diba parang imagine mo kung magbabantayan mo yung jowa mo 24/7, hiwalayan mo na lang.
No, because if they want to cheat, they will cheat.
Totoo.
There's a saying, they say na if a man has time to go to the bathroom, he has time to cheat.
Oo. I
Diba?
agree.
If he has 5 minutes to like shit on the toilet, he can
Oo.
already be messaging somebody.
Eh, di mo naman siya pwedeng,
Yeah.
like, diba, habang tumatay siya dyan.
Diba?
Oo.
If a man has time to work, he has time to cheat. Kaya talaga if they want to. So, you're just gonna be baliw if you're constantly like, where are your... But I will say, I do have locations on though. I'm like that. Are you like that?
Hindi. Pero, kapag ang rule namin kasi ni Archie, pag tumawag ako sa'yo, kailangan sagutin mo.
Okay. What if hindi niya masagot?
May iba siyang kasama eh. So,
Okay.
sinasagot yun. Kumbaga, rule na namin yan.
Okay.
Na, kahit kasi ako rin, kung hindi ako makasagot, tatawag rin siya sa sister ko, kung sino man yung, hindi kasi kami umaalis ng kami lang. Like,
Gets.
hindi siya umaalis ng siya lang, hindi ako umaalis ng ako lang.
Ikaw lang. So, if let's say you're maybe like now you're filming, diba? And then he calls and you can answer, your sister will probably be called and then you can parang say through her like, hey, I'm busy, lala.
Kasi parang kami, dahil 6 years na siguro kami, wala na rin kaming mga calls na, kamusta ka? Kumain ka na ba? Wala na kaming ganon.
We also din naman.
Kumbaga parang, kung tatawag ka, ako naman ang rule ko, hindi para mag-check. Tumawag ako dahil may sasabihin ako sa yung importante.
Yes, there's something that's important right now.
Oo.
Na it cannot wait till tonight.
Hindi ako like randomly tatawag lang na, kumain ka na ba?
How are you?
Tapos na yun.
Yeah.
Parang nalampasan na namin yun. Basta, meron akong kailangang pagdesisyonan na bagay ngayon na. So,
My boyfriend, if he calls me randomly throughout the day, I will get irritated.
okay.
Because wala na nga tayo sa ganun eh, diba? So, I wanna work, I wanna do this, I wanna do that. So if he used to call me and say, hey, did you eat na? I would get irritated. I'd probably end the call. Like that. I'm like, fucking wasting my time. Like that.
But feeling ko Leo thing yan. Leo thing,
Yeah.
si Archie din, hindi niya naman yan ganyan sinasabi sa akin. Pero kasi, since same vibe, parang ayoko rin naman nang iniistorbo ko kapag ka in the zone ako.
Yeah, I'm like that din eh. Parang, I guess because, yeah, you have your own things you're busy with. I have my own things I'm busy with. Syempre, I'm an independent woman. I'm a grown woman. Maybe because, again, how people perceive you, they think like you're just girlfriends waiting on.
Oo.
Diba?
Kumbaga, ako parang, nung mga early days ng relationship namin na nagle-live-in kami, syempre, siya yung mas outgoing eh.
Okay.
So, kumbaga parang, totoo naman, may mga time din na nung una, nagwe-wait lang ako sa bahay. Kumbaga kasi content din lang din yung work ko, 'di ba? Pero, dumating din yung time na hindi.
Yeah.
Kailangan may busy rin ako kasi busy siya.
Yes.
So, sa bahay namin ngayon, meron siyang office, may studio siya, tapos meron din ako sarili kong studio.
Okay.
So, pag nasa studio siya, nandun lang din ako sa
Studio
studio
mo.
ko. So, parehas ka talaga may ganap.
Yeah. In your way of managing him, do you guys ever fight? Kasi it's work eh, diba? Let's say he doesn't want to do something. Do you tell him like, no, you have to do that kasi ikaw na yung manager, diba?
Wala pa naman kaming
Okay.
ganong eksena. Pero, kumbaga parang, minsan kailangan mo lang din i-explain eh.
Yeah.
Diba? Like, or like, dapat kilala mo rin kasi, syempre,
At this point,
partner ko siya. So, siguro naman, tama ka, at this point, alam ko na yun na, this is not gonna work. Kung magkakausapin mo na, hindi po niya yan gagawin.
Yeah.
So, hindi rin yan pasok sa branding niya, ganyan. So, kung ipipilit mo, like,
tension, yeah.
oo. Pero syempre, may mga inisan factor din yun na, hindi ko gusto yung mga sagot nito. Pero wala ka na magagawa kasi,
Work
syempre,
eh.
Work. Kaya ko talagang paghiwalayin yung work. Ikaw, kaya mo
Yeah.
ba?
It depends. We have our days or we have our moments. I have my spikes eh. So, sometimes I think I don't realize that I am spiky in the moment. And then I just trust that he's not as reactive. Buti na lang that he knows me. Again, it's in how they know you best, diba?
Oo.
He knows na how to not make it worse or how to manage it so that I don't get irritated more.
Anong sign ni Lux?
He is Gemini. Water.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, water and
Yeah,
fire.
yeah. Right? You'd think, no? It
Oo,
can be
para
so
ka
bad.
nag-work.
He's able to put down the fire. Wow.
Wow,
yes.
okay,
He's able to put out
okay.
the fire. So,
Gets,
it's pretty
gets.
chill. It's okay naman. But we work well together. But I'm the kind of person that when we fight, it's so bad. Whenever we fight, let's say, because he has his own like work area, diba?
Mhm.
He can turn around. My bag is still there. Everything's still there. But I'm gone from the house. With my phone, like I'll leave with the driver. I'll like watch a
Without-
movie without telling, without
Oh.
later now when it's like dinner time, he'll just look around the house and he'll realize like, oh, where is she now? And then I'm like, I'm at Greenbelt. I'm watching a movie.
Oh.
Like I'm like that.
Weird, gagi.
I don't like lose my shit anymore. I think in my teens, early 20s, lose my shit talaga. You know how you are when you're emotional and hormonal. I used to be like that. Now I just don't say anything. I just leave. And it can be over things that are super like big and things that are small then. I'm not confrontational with him anymore.
Mhm.
Parang alam na niya yun eh. Like, dapat alam niya na.
Mhm.
So I just walk away.
Si
Yeah.
Archie naman, ano siya, very confrontational. Kasi, gusto niya, talagang sinasabi niya rin yung mga, kesa, kim-kimin niya.
Yeah.
I think yung pagkakasabi niya is, parang sasabog yung dibdib niya. Is it the same with
Yeah,
you?
yeah. So I think that's why I hold it in as long as I can. And then in the moments that it matters, ganun din ako like,
Okay,
my
okay.
whole heart. So now that, again, you're in a peaceful life, a lot of the followers or the listeners, they're asking about how, there are so many issues in the past,
Mhm.
right? Or they would say like, oh, you were vlogging with this person and then nawala. Or like, vlogging with this person, I think you're part of like a girl group or something. Or they would see you in a girl group. I think I just want to ask about, do you still want to be part of a content creator group? Would you collaborate with people again like that?
Alam mo, kahit naman noon, kung babalikan yung mga like collaborations
Yeah.
ko, konti lang talaga. Because hindi nga ako comfortable masyado
Okay.
working with other people na
Okay.
kumbaga sa same industry. Siguro dahil na rin, kumbaga parang syempre ang tanda ko na, ayoko na ng sa industry talaga,
Yeah.
'di ba? Alam mo naman 'yan na iba talaga yung
Yeah.
iba. Parang hindi mo alam kung totoo ba 'to? Friends na ba
Yeah.
tayo or like
After,
parang-
they're just gonna talk shit na naman.
Oo.
la.
So parang sa akin, kesa naman ma-heartbroken ako na mag-open pa ako sa'yo, something I learned kay Archie talaga yung walls niya, tataas. So, ako talaga parang, tas ako, yes lang ako ng yes. Tas siya, no person siya.
Oh.
So, parang,
that's how you're different pala.
oo. So, doon naman ako naka-heartbroken.
Yeah.
Parang, doon naman ako parang, ganyan. Kasi laging open ka eh. Laging,
Ready for new experiences, new people.
tapos, you let people in, madali lang.
Yeah.
Kaya, yun. Tapos, syempre, siguro may one time na learn ko na rin na, siguro ito na yung tinuturo na lang sa akin talaga
Yeah.
ni Lord. Kasi nga parang paulit-ulit, kaya, eto na to.
Yeah.
Kumaga parang, sige na nga. Kaya yung mga friends ko ngayon, naalala mo, may conversation tayo, maikli lang na
Yeah.
about friends. Kumbaga yung mga friends ko talaga, mostly non-showbiz.
You know what? Every guest I have here that was part of showbiz, they all say that all their friends are non-showbiz.
Oo, non-showbiz.
Last time that Blythe was here, she said, yeah, all my friends are non-showbiz.
Oh.
Same din. I think it's healthier for everyone.
Kumbaga parang ako din, nagiging mas siguro better person ako to to be with, my friends na kasama ko talaga noon pa.
Yeah.
Kasi, alam mo ito nagiging problem minsan. Yung fame, it goes in your head.
Yeah.
So, kung lahat kayo famous, magkakaibigan kayo,
Yes.
and lahat kayo, feeling nyo, famous kayong lahat. Di ba?
Yeah.
Parang iba-ibang ego yun.
The topak is real,
Oo,
I'm sure.
Iba-ibang pride. Bakit? Pastillas girl ako.
Yeah.
Di ba? Parang may ganun ka rin.
Yeah.
Iba rin, ganun. Siyempre, may sikat pa sa'yo.
Yeah.
So, parang with your friends na dati mo pang kaibigan, non-showbiz, eto kilala ka na nito since day one.
So it doesn't matter, 'di ba? All the fame, all this and that,
Totoo.
they don't see you as that, or they don't perceive you na, oh, she has to be like this or I have to be like this.
Oo.
There's no weird competitiveness.
Kasi parang yung best friend ko nung high school ako, shocks, naalala ko lang kasi nakita kami nitong nakaraan, parang sabi niya, tapos kinukwento niya kay Archie lahat ng mga
Like your
ko.
kalokohan back then.
Oo, mga walwal days ko. So parang, comfortable naman ako na
Yeah.
marinig ni Archie, pero parang, shocks, no? Grabe,
Yeah.
grabe talaga yung pinagdaanan ko. Alam niya lahat. Kumbaga
Yeah.
parang, kung tutukan mo man yan ng kutsilyo, like, i-reveal mo lahat. Hindi ko i-reveal. Saksakin mo na lang ako.
Yeah. Because she knows you longer than he knows you. So the stories that she has then, it's really like you.
Lahat ng naging jowa, kabaliwan, alam niya yan lahat. Kung palilista mo sa kanya yan, alam niya yan.
Yeah.
So, no
Aw.
judgment. Diba?
Yeah.
Parang,
But with like other, kasi I think artistas or, influencers, big influencers, like there's a lot of these little topaks where they think they're the bigger star, or they
may
should be
ganyan
like
sila, no?
this, or kung ano-ano. That's why I really appreciate, you're super normal. Like you're a normal person.
Talaga?
Yeah, I love that.
Na ano ko yan, parang kapag naririnig ko yung compliment na yan, natutuwa ako kasi minsan, tinatanong ko rin yan sa friends ko, uy, tingin na nagbago na ako.
Or am I still like me?
Oo.
There was a lot of questions that came up also about like if you're still friends with this person, you're still friends with this person, or nagkabati na ba kayo? Did you ever like reconcile with anybody that you had issues with in the past?
No.
Okay.
Hindi.
Stays in the past.
Oo. Pero may good reason naman
Yeah.
ako. Kumbaga parang, alam mo, nami-miss ko yung moments eh. Di ba parang
The fun.
Oo. Kasi syempre, yung mga moments ko with my friends na hindi ko na friends ngayon, pagkababalikan mo, grabe kami dati, parang baliw-baliwan lang kami dati. Pero pagka, syempre, maaalala mo rin yung mga bad. Di ba parang ayaw mo na rin naman.
Parang ang bigat din eh. At the same time, it's like
Oo.
the highs were high, the lows were also super
Oo.
low.
So, sa akin, seeing our lives now, na
Mm-mm.
parang, huy, ang ganda na ng buhay niya. Syempre, at the end of the day, dadaan pa rin yan siya sa feed
Mm-mm.
mo. So, makikita ko yung buhay nila, and they're happy. Kumbaga parang, meron na rin akong peace na, this is meant to happen.
Yes.
Kumbaga parang, kasi parang ma-outgrow mo rin talaga ang mga person minsan.
Sometimes they're really just meant to be in your life for a certain time lang. And that's
Oo.
okay.
Kaya mas treasure ko nga yung mga good memories eh. Kumbaga parang matagal na rin naman. So like, pagka maalala mo, nakakatawa. Pero wag na natin balikan yung mga pangit. Kasi
yeah.
kung i-revisit natin yan, Diyos ko, di ba? Trauma na naman.
Parang ang bigat.
Oo, parang iiyak mo na naman.
And then you have to carry it in your heart again.
Oo.
You know, it's like even if it's been so many years, when you think about the hard parts or the tough parts, syempre it feels like, oh my God, I went through this time in my life and it was so painful. And then you start to think and feel bad again.
Tsaka kasi parang sabi ko nga kay Archie, it's different kapag na heartbroken ka sa guy.
Actually, I would even say it's tougher to be heartbroken by a girl, like a girlfriend.
Totoo.
Like-
Ako din.
Friendship, breakups, that hurts more kaya.
Sa akin din.
Yeah.
Kasi pagka, alam mo yung feeling na pagka jowa mo kasi, meron kayong, tayo na.
Yes.
So parang this is the starting point na, dapat loyal ka na sa akin,
Yes.
ha?
Parang
So-
it's like the rules, right, are set.
Oo.
Like, okay, it's either we're in it, or we're not.
Oo. With friendship, iba. Kasi with friendship, bigla na lang siyang nabubuo, and then you don't know kailan kayo magbe-break.
Or you also don't know pag may problems. Because I think when you come into a relationship with a guy, diba, if there's a problem, it's so easier, it's so clear to say, hey, we're fighting right now, blah, blah, blah.
Oo.
Parang, and then there's also the resolution after na we can fix it, right? But when it's with a girl that's your friend, it's like, I don't know, I get ilang to share because I don't know if it'll make it worse. Or what if her perspective, like she blows up and she gets offended, diba?
Kaya parang feeling ko, sa mga friendships, dapat talaga nasa same ano kayo.
Yeah.
Same mindset, nasa same level kayo ng understanding. Dapat may mga ganyan. Kasi, dapat pantay. I think, yan ang
Yes.
mga natutunan ko with friendships. Dapat pantay.
Okay.
You look to your friend sa eyes na talagang parang,
We're the same.
oo, pantay tayo, hindi ka mas lamang sa akin, hindi ka mas sikat sa akin. So, kaya para kapag meron akong sinabi sa'yo, kaya mo siyang tanggapin. And may sinabi ka sa akin, kaya mo tanggapin na without thinking ng
She's
bad.
probably thinking that this of me or that of me, even if you didn't say it, diba?
Oo.
Kasi
Or like,
I think that's where like the secret animosity comes in. Because even if you didn't say anything bad talaga towards them, they might be perceiving it na, she thinks like this of me, or I think that way of her na mas angat ako sa kanya, or mas ganito ako sa kanya, you know?
kasi parang minsan, pagka-feeling mo, mas mataas ka dun sa tao, you don't listen.
Yeah, that also.
Di ba parang hindi nagmamatter masyado yung sinasabi
Yes.
ng friend mo kasi, bakit ko naman kita pakikinggan? Mas better person ako sa'yo.
Yeah, maybe it's that also, no? How you perceive yourself and how you perceive them, and if you're a match.
Unlike kapag ka talagang alam mong alay mo siya na parang,
Yeah.
uy girl,
Yeah.
this is for you ha. Na parang, in your head, grateful ka na, uy, buti sinabi mo sa akin.
Yeah.
Kasi kung hindi mo sinabi sa akin, sino pang magsasabi sa
Yes.
akin?
And then the gratefulness rather than like the anger.
Oo.
It's like you really take it with gratitude. So I think now we're gonna play a game. Would you rather?
Mhm.
Okay. So 0 days but happy or Paulo days but you're sad.
0 days, but happy.
Oh, I like that.
Hindi yun ka-plastikan. Sa totoo lang.
Swear
Oo.
Money can't buy happiness.
Money, hindi ako mag-agree dyan. May mga bagay talaga na makakapagpasaya sa'yo with money. Pero, ibig ko lang sabihin kasi, lagi lang ako nagtitiwala na kaya ko Even if 0 days, basta happy ka, kaya mong pumaldo.
I think it's a mentality also. Like it's either you have that mentality or you don't.
Mhm.
Okay. Next is, would you rather people go through your phone or people read your mind for a day?
Go through my phone na lang.
Really?
Ay, di ko kaya na. Kasi, syempre sa isip mo, meron kang mga like,
Random.
oo. Alam mo, minsan, may mga naiisip ka na kahit ayaw mo.
Yeah, intrusive thoughts
Oo.
talaga.
So, parang ako minsan, alam mo pag naisip mo nga, pa'y pumasok siya, minsan gigilty ka pa Shit, bakit po to pumasok sa isip ko?
Yeah. Because it's not me It's like,
Oo.
it's just a random subconscious thought, no?
Yeah.
Okay. Would you rather expose the truth or protect your peace?
Protect my peace.
Wow. She's grown.
Yeah, marami na akong, hoy, charing! Marami na akong mga prinotektahang mga tao.
So now, it's time to protect yourself.
Yeah, yun, alam mo, yan ang pinagpe-pray ko lagi. Kumbaga parang, sa prayers ko, sana hindi na nila ako guluhin. Kasi,
No?
kapag ginulo nila ako, wag na natin palabasin yung, natulog na yung bitch na
Era.
me. Oo. Yung bitch na ako
Okay,
talagang.
we can call, so your name is Angelica Jane, right? We can call the bitch side Jane. Si
Oo.
Jane yun.
wag na natin palabasin si Jane.
Oo, si Jane na yun.
Nag-retire na siya.
Because now, like, I know this, like, if there's a problem that comes up, wala, it's just, like, in and out. But before, I think, syempre in your content creator era, it's like, when you're really in it, like, vlogging every day, when those things happen, it's easy for it to affect you Because you're filming everything.
Tapos, alam mo ba, si Archie, alam mo, I call Archie Manong kasi
Why?
kahit na mas bata siya, mas mature siya sa akin. Lagi niya sinasabi sa akin, alam mo, kung sino yung mas maraming kuda,
Okay.
yan yung mga mas talagang gumawa ng bad. Kasi sila yung pinagtatanggol talaga nila yung sarili nila kasi kailangan nila Pero, like, kagaya niyan, parang tama ka kasi nga nung pagka-content ka ng content, syempre pinoprotektahan mo yung name mo eh. So, yun lang yung meron ka. Kaya sasagot ka talaga.
Yeah.
Kung sino man yung parang nag-ano sa'yo, syempre pagmumukhain ka na lang bad sa story eh.
Yes.
So, pag tatanggol mo yung sarili mo, but now na parang, kailangan ko pa ba? Kailangan ko pa bang
No na, you're
Oo,
fine. I'm still in that eh. Like, whenever I see, or not naman whenever, but like often when I see like bad comments about me, or parang fake stories, like I feel the urge na, oh, I want to defend myself, I want to tell them my side agad, la. But then I realize nowadays, it doesn't matter, right? Because,
okay lang. Bagets ka pa.
bagets pa ba?
You're allowed.
I'm allowed pa. But when I'm 30s
Oo.
na, bawal na.
Parang, ikaw din ang mananawa when you're 30s na. Kasi parang mas
Yeah.
importante na nga sa'yo na leche. Bakit ko pa pagtatanggol yung sarili ko? Pero yung mga ganyang age, parang pwede pa yan. Kasi nga diba
Kaya
sabi
pa?
nila, pagka 20s, pwede ka pang magkamali. Ay, dyan yung parang experimental
Okay.
stage eh.
So, enjoy ko pa to.
Oo,
Right?
hanggat ano
Because
pa,
I'm so like patola eh.
kaya okay lang yan.
Because like if people bash me, I'll explain agad like I'll say my side.
Go!
Sometimes what ends up happening is sometimes ganito lang yung basher. Ito yung reply ko.
Okay lang yan as long as parang ang effect niya sa'yo ay good. Kasi
Yeah.
pagka na-release mo siya, di ba parang, leche.
Yeah, I feel good eh.
Di ba?
So now, when you see those comments about you or let's say about your relationship or anything, you really don't feel like I need to reply.
Parang yung energy ko, hindi nila deserve. Parang ganun yun sa
Wow.
isip ko. Parang, kasi the moment na i-recognize mo yung isang bagay, parang pinatotohanan mo siya.
Yeah.
So like, kunyari,
Okay, I like that. I'm gonna learn from that.
kung kunyari, hindi naman siya totoo, hindi mo naman pinapansin, the moment talaga na bigyan mo siya ng energy or like,
Totoo na
bigyan mo
siya.
siya ng highlight, parang, oo, di ba, parang, guilty ka na.
Yeah. Wow, even if it's not true.
Oo.
Okay, I'm learning from you. Okay. Next.
Dapat lang.
Yeah.
Kasi ate mo naman ako.
Yeah.
Kung wala ka rin natututunan sa akin, masasad naman ako kasi walang laman.
I'm sure they're learning then. Okay, would you rather start over and nobody knows who you are and stay the same and like now, like everybody knows who you are?
Ang hirap naman.
Yeah, it's tough, no? Imagine like going to a place and nobody knows who you are. You don't even have social media or anything. You can just live a quiet, peaceful life.
Parang na-enjoy ko na kumbaga nakuha ko na yung balance dito sa buhay na meron ako. I'm happy eh. Sobrang happy ko. Alam mo ba, nag-birthday ako, parang, di ba, pagka-birthday mo, parang entitled ka sa one wish.
Yeah.
Parang, natatakot nga ako eh. Nung nakaraan, sabi ko, Lord, wag mo pa akong kukunin na kasi bakit wala akong wish. Pero
Yeah.
parang ibibigay ko yung birthday ko na to na grateful lang ako. Basta, sobrang nasa good state talaga ako ng mind.
Oh, I love that.
Kung na-interview mo ako 3 years ago, shoot ang ina, parang,
Baka you're gonna say some things.
baka para BJ Pascual ako.
Would you rather have a kid right now, as in now na ha, or in 5 years?
Kung ma-achieve ko pa na magkakatatlo ko in 5 years, 'di ba?
3 and 5 years?
Oo, kumbaga
Wow.
parang after 5 years, actually, pwede pa ba yun?
Kaya yun eh. Lately, women have been becoming fertiler or more fertile later on in their lives. Because before they used to say, oh, you have to give birth 25, fertility. Now, people are giving birth like mid-30s and they're still healthy.
Meron nga ako mga napapanood, nababasa na parang dapat talaga pag magpapakasal ka, magbe-baby ka, should be in your 30s. Kasi, kumbaga parang dapat nagawa mo na lahat. Kids, kung may mga nanonood sa inyo dyan na mga bagets-bagets, masasuggest ko talaga na mag-asawa kayo and mag-baby kayo in your 30s. Kasi kami ni Archie, masasabi namin na pinagdaanan namin lahat.
Okay.
Kaya kami super happy kasi wala kang regrets. Di ba parang wala
And you're
kang...
not rushing.
Oo, parang wala kang... What if jumowa ako ng jumowa nung 25? Di ba parang walang ganun eh. Wala kang babalikan na what ifs eh.
Yes.
Kasi parang, nagawa ko yan lahat. So, kung magkaroon ako ng mga bagets dyan, machichika ko talaga sa kanila na, napagdaanan ko na yan lahat. Kaya wala na kayong mga maitatago sa akin.
Now you're like those titas. You know those titas that
Oo.
tell the young kids, like, oh, wag ka muna mag-jowa. Now you're like that.
Kaya nga, naiinis ako sa mga tita na ganyan nagsasabi sa akin.
And then now you understand, right? Why they were
Totoo.
saying all those things that don't date boys muna, ha?
Parang wala na, alam mo, I'm not like parang stopping them to date boys. Yung mga pamangkin ko, ganyan. Hindi ko naman sila pinipigilan. Pero basta sa akin, yung pag-aasawa and pag-aanak, kasi kailangan yan ng certain like maturity talaga.
And healthiness,
Oo.
right?
Kawawa kasi yung bagets din. Kapag ka, diba? Parang,
Yeah. It puts them through a lot more than they should have gone through if you were just a bit more mature, no?
Totoo. I mean, ang dami kong, like ako rin, di ba? Parang, what if mas matanda akong naging anak ng mommy at daddy ko, di ba? Pero, syempre grateful ako. Kumbaga, ano naman happy naman ako sa naging life ko. Kaya lang, if I had a choice,
Yes.
parang gagawin ko talaga to ng mas planchado and perfect for my kids.
Yes. Because it's for them.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Next is go through Archie's phone or read his mind for a day.
I want to read his mind for a day.
Really?
Alam mo yan ang sinasabi ko. Alam mo yung phone ni Archie talaga, naging nakakabuhayang lang yan dyan. Never ko yan sinubukang kalkalin.
Because the trust is there, eh.
Oo.
It's like, I think when it's like that, no, you know the girls that are always like, oh, I want to know his password, I want to check his phone. I feel like that mentality is just building because the lack of trust. Because of the
Yes.
lack of trust.
Oo.
But when you are like really trusting your partner, you don't feel that urge.
Ayoko talaga yung feeling na, ate, girlfriend mo ko, hindi ako investigador.
Yeah.
Di ba parang,
And I'm not your mom.
oo, hindi kita para bantayan talaga. Hindi rin ako security guard. Parang,
Yeah.
hindi talaga. Yung mind ni Archie, kaya mas pinili ko yun, kasi sobrang talino niya talaga. I mean, yun yung sinasabi ko na, kumbaga parang yung level, kaya kami nag-work kasi kung paano siya mag-isip and paano ako mag-isip is same.
I see.
So parang nasa same level kami ng intellectual capacity.
Where you can understand each other without even having to try too hard.
Oo. Medyo naiinis din, hindi naman naiinis. Pangit nung term na naiinis. Medyo parang konti yung patience ko kapag yung kausap ko, hindi ako like,
Same vibe.
oo.
Yeah. I
So
super
kami,
get that.
parang kapag ka nag-uusap kami, gusto ko pang matalinong usap.
And it doesn't waste your time or your energy
Oo.
having to explain na naman what you're trying to...
Oo. Hindi ko siya sinasabi in a bad way sa iba. Pero basta yun ang gusto ko.
Yeah. That's the vibe that you want.
Oo.
And that's okay naman.
Kaya pag nag-aaway kami, parang intellectual exercise talaga.
It's like you're both. Make it harder.
Oo, parang patalinuhan kami. Ako yung mas tama, ako yung mas tama. Pero nag-end up na same naman kami.
Who is quicker to say sorry?
Siya.
I think that's how it should be, Charan.
As babae.
Yeah.
Pero may ma-pride kasi. Pero kasi dahil panganay ako.
Yeah.
And middle child siya.
The dynamics din eh.
Oo.
I have a hot take. I would never date a bunso.
Talaga.
Yeah, I can't date a bunso.
Feeling ko ako din. Hindi ko kaya mag-date ng bunso. Parang never pa ako nagkaroon ng ex na bunso.
Na bunso. Speaking of, the last question is, would you rather be friends with your ex again or befriend your ex-best friend?
Parang it's a no parehas.
Both? How many exes did you have before?
Wait. Ala!
Did you have a lot ba?
Lover girl talaga kasi ako. Relationship girly ako. Hindi ako papayag na parang if I like you, hindi tayo maging in a relationship. Hindi ko na lang pa-recall yung exact number. Syempre may mga ini-skip ka dyan
Yeah.
na,
Hindi yun ex.
oo, hindi yun counted. Pero, I can say a lot.
Yeah.
Parang talagang, kaya ko nasabi na, kaya rin siguro ganito ako magsalita kasi ang dami ko rin natutunan sa relationship. Feeling ko parang every relationship, talagang tinitreasure ko yung mga natutunan ko.
Yeah.
Kaya siguro parang, I'm not saying na perfect girlfriend ako, pero perfect girlfriend ako for Archie.
Yes. And he's the same way for you.
Oo,
right?
kasi yung mga natutunan niya, yung natutunan ko, in-apply na namin ngayon.
Yeah.
Kaya tagal na namin. Siya pinakamatagal ko.
6 years. Because I also think that there is no perfect relationship talaga.
Mhm.
And honestly, that's my hot take also. That's why some people end up single for so long. Because they're always waiting for the perfect person or the perfect relationship.
True.
Pero wala talaga. Like, I'm sure even for me, we have our arguments or bad days even. But wala eh. Like, you really just have to fight through it.
True.
It's a choice.
Kasi parang, di ba ngayon, parang sinasabi nila na, wag na lang mag-boyfriend kasi ganyan. Yes, oo, wag na lang mag-boyfriend. Pero, let's not shame din yung mga babae na parang willing na mag-fight sa relationship.
Yes.
Minsan nakakabasa ako nun na sinishame
Yeah.
nila yung mga babae na nagtitiis, ganyan. Well, pero siguro may boundary lang siguro ng pagtitiis eh. I mean, kung parehas naman kayong nag-go through ng,
Yeah.
kumbaga pinagdadaanan niyo yung mga hardships, doon nandun yung growth eh.
Yeah, and honestly, that's what makes you get closer. Like, that's what brings, I think, some relationships even closer because you grow through those hardships because you learn things about yourself,
Oo.
about the partner.
And
You-
be better
Yeah.
person din, and partner.
Yeah, because syempre when the sun is shining, when everything's okay, there's nothing to grow.
Totoo.
So it's a lot to learn from. I hope they learned also.
Hi!
Yes, thank you so much for
Thank
being
you.
here. I enjoyed and thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That's Bible.